Hi. Okay, I tried new hair products today and I am amazing about the styles. Wow, that's done.
Hey black girl, welcome back to my channel. Love all.
These hand braiding steps are complicated, but the results are well worth it, everyone. Do you know how to make your braided hair more cute? If you don't know, then look at me.
On next, little baddie, cashing big checks. I bought the whole block out, now that's a big flex. Peeping out my Uber window, like what's next? Got new levels.
Do you want to transform your hair from curly to straight hair? Let's start.
And if you mind you, peace will abide and hide you until it's time to start anew. So live it up, we grown, ain't got no curfew. Who brought the bad vibes? Tell that bitch move. Walking all in my inner, that's a bitch move. Pressed that I arrived, mad that I survived.
Oh my god.
To send me to the sky. But I've been in the wind, been had wings, I was always this fly. Oh yes, and that's probably why you're mad. Don't let Evie turn you into a trash bag. So get glad, find out why you sad.
Just like we prime our skin for a flawless makeup application, our hair needs priming too to get the most out of our styling products. Adding in a hair primer completely changed my curl game. Here I'm using the Biolage All-in-One Multi-Benefit Spray. This spray has over 25 benefits for all hair types. It instantly hydrates my curls while preventing breakage and fighting frizz. The best part? It's super lightweight, which helps me achieve voluminous, bouncy ringlets every single wash day.
Test me, my mob deep will have you shook. It's a marathon, but baby girl, never let up. No need for speed, but keep your foot up on the gas pedal. Ain't worried about having a golden award when God made me to be an ice cold meadow. Why are you always pressed about my life? Talking with your frenemies about me, saying, ooh girl, have you seen it like the shine lights? You tried, but you could never dim my light. Please know I'm untouchable, girl. I'll slip through your fingers like a real fly kite. Why you wanna turn a good day into fight night? Constantly projecting all that negativity. Take that bad energy and go and get your mind right. Say a prayer tonight to keep your soul tight. You in the big world of danger, cause you dwell in that drama. I put the work in, now I got them big bags that you call Birkins.
When you know how to love yourself, you will always be beautiful and shining wherever you are.
Tip number 1, never brush your hair while it's dry. Just don't do it. That's how you get the Hermione massive mane. I only brush my hair in the shower, and I got this thing called a wet brush, which is great. Shampoo is important, yes, but conditioner?
People want to talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come on comes over now. You ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade at Gerald, but G's don't come easy when you're trying to eat up producer.
While your hair is dripping wet, some kind of like moisture. Your hair is dry, you're looking for moisture. Some of my hands like what I did. Put my hair over. You use a normal towel to dry your hair. Because I used to do that when I was 12 and it gave me so much frizz. It was like a cheap microfiber towel, like a camping towel, or even a cotton t-shirt. I dry my hair by scrunching with that towel and I do it with heat. And just like curl primer.
Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it.
Yo, look, I ain't saying that I'm rich, cause if I'm honest, I've never been. But when I look at all these other kids, I feel just a little bit ahead of them. You should know.
Do you guys like the hair tutorials on my channel? Please subscribe to the channel and comment below to let me know.
I've been reinvesting all I ever spent. Stop pretending like you poppin'. Who been out here making profit? Told my mama that I got this. I wonder if she noticed what my job is. I don't know how I'ma make it, but I know no matter what, I'm finna find a way. All my homies finna eat and I ain't letting no one on my team look at an empty plate. Yeah. Went from a boy to a man. Ay, every day been making plans. Ay, they don't really understand. Ay, gotta look out for the family. I won't fall for any scam. Yeah, only worried about the fans. Yeah, I won't compromise the brand. Yeah, I've been saving up the bands. Whoa.
Here we have my simple curly hair routine, smiling face.
After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest.
Casual hairstyles for beginner everyday.
I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it.
And this is my favorite hair conditioner.
Rappers spending money in some really funny ways, man. I promise you ain't really getting paid. Yeah, show a couple bands flexing on the Instagram, and nobody getting fans that way. Yeah, well you really dumb if you spending all your funds on some clothes and your tape need work. Yeah, you ain't gonna stand if you ain't a businessman, man. I promise you the plan ain't gonna work. Yeah, rappers spending money in some really funny ways, man. I promise you ain't really getting paid. Yeah, show a couple bands flexing on the Instagram, and nobody getting fans that way. Yeah, well you really dumb if you spending all your funds on some clothes and your tape need work. Yeah, you ain't gonna stand if you ain't a businessman, man.
Actually, I use different products every time I wash my hair. I like to experiment and see what works with my hair. This time, I used the Evolve Love Your Curls Discovery Kit. I was gifted this from Evolve, and I got to try out one of their new products. So I first started off with the hydrating wash in the shower, and then the hydrating conditioner, followed up with the leave-in conditioner, the Super Curl Defining Cream, and then I used their new Instant Volumizing Mousse. This stuff is amazing. I put it in my roots, and I scrunched really good. I do need a little bit of hold, so I used a little bit of the Curl Smith InStyle Shower Fixer.
Esto es fácil, no me llames si tú andas con Lucy. Estamos en Miami, en un yate, un corito sano, no le pares. Mucho de mí hablaron, muchos criticaron. Gracias a toda la gente mía, nunca me dejaron. Antes yo le oraba a Dios para comprarme un carro. Ahora todo lo que yo tengo a ti te sale caro. Pero no le paro, ando a 1000, no me comparo. Gracias a Dios por todos los blessings que se caen diario. Sin embargo no me canso, sigo dando palos. Vamos a pegar un día de esto para salir del bar. No te pongas triste, esto es un flow universal. Y sé lo que dijo Dios, no lo que quise. De la maldad que Dios me libre. Y el respeto se gana, manito, eso no se consigue. Dale ven, te quiero ver, gozar y pasarla bien. Vamos, mira que caliente se ha puesto el weekend. La temperatura en 100 y el cuello frozen. Ya estamos en otro nivel, yo y Tommy que lo que. Prendan los motores que nos vamos. Aquí todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes nunca paramos, yeah. Ya está saliendo el sol, ven y préndete. Esto es fácil, no me llames si tú andas con Lucy. Estamos en Miami, en un yate, un corito sano, no le pares. Yo no vuelvo para atrás. Cuello frío me senté en Alaska. Me dicen Tommy lo mucho que gastas. Estamos arriba, me senté en la NASA, mamá. La noche me llama, el acento dice Tommy, pero no como Montana. Aunque el mundo es mío y de la primera dama. Navegando por La Habana, yo ando con dos cubanas y tú hablas de jevita. Digo cadenas, con mi piquete suprime la cartera. Eso es caliente, la luna llena, con esos ojos que alumbran donde quiera. Tommy, prenden los motores que nos vamos. Acá todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes no paramos. Aquí todos los santos somos sanos. Prendan los motores que nos vamos. Aquí todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes nunca paramos, yeah. Ya está saliendo el sol, ven y préndete. Esto es fácil, no me llames si tú andas con Lucy. Estamos en Miami, en un yate, un corito sano, no le pares. El
Queen, ya tú sabes quién es, juntado con Tommy, el único aquí directamente desde el estado debajo del sol. Tenemos la sangre caliente.
Do you guys like the hair tutorials on my channel? Please subscribe to the channel and comment below to let me know.
My lady Papa Zenny, had her lady popping Molly.